Welcome to Green Building Supply. My name is Melanie.
And I'm Aaron, and today we're going to talk about a replacement, eco-friendly replacement for silicone caulk.
So typically you would use conventional silicone or any silicone caulking material in wet applications, like around bathtub surrounds, in bathrooms, everywhere that you would need caulking material, around sinks in the kitchen.
And a lot of people complain about the smell of 100% silicone. So we have something from ChemLink, which is a much lower odor. It does have silicone in it, but it also has a lot of other ingredients. And the silicone that it does have is a higher grade of silicone than traditional silicone caulk.
Which is the same silicone that is used for kitchen instruments like turners
Cooking.
or cooking utensils. Right. So it's that same food grade silicone that's used in this product as well.
If your contractor is asking for silicone caulk to install something, you can give him this as an eco-friendly replacement. It also comes in colors as well as a translucent color, which is really more of a milky color, kind of like regular silicone.
Yeah, like a frosty white. Yeah. But you have an alternative to conventional silicone.
Thanks for watching.